Hello guys, Topfield Dragsterman here with Hunger Games. I'm really trying to speak louder because in my other videos you guys couldn't hear me as well. So we're just waiting to start. We're on Whiskey Craft. So we'll just wait to start here. Again, this server is whiskeycraft.net. That's the IP. If you have complications trying to set, well, you don't really set up an account on this, but you have to be a job and everything like that, so I will definitely be on the server to help you. So will Kevin Friends. You've seen some of his videos. So again, I'm trying to talk louder so you guys can hear me. Okay, starting in 20. Hopefully this isn't as laggy. No, never mind, it's laggy. This lag plus Snagit lagging equals a lot of lag. Get that sword? Yes. And we'll run away. Nope. Leave me alone. And there are mobs on this server. Only bad part is I'm going to need to stop to eat some food. I think I'm running the same way I did last time I played when I wasn't filming. Get that heart of health back. We need to find a better sword, possibly some armor. So we're gonna run away as far as we can from spawn, because there's a lot of teams and not a lot of people. I'm looking for, there's water, not that. So we're just gonna run. Again, the IP for the server is whiskeycraft.net. Try not to take too much fall damage. Sorry about that, pop-up. Again, I'm gonna start talking louder. I think I'm talking too quiet because in our past videos. And I don't know why this makes my voice really, really high-pitched. Well, not high-pitched, but not like my real voice. So, what is this map? I see gravel. Don't want to. Gonna sink in it. So we're gonna look for this little ocean place. And now I need some food. Ooh. And some more food, some leather pants. Dang, it's a good thing that I fell. this piggy some food. Six pieces of meat now. Something in there, but we won't go exploring. Have no idea how I got 7 experience, but if there's an enchanting table somewhere, I'm going to enchant. Wait. No, nothing down there. There are a lot of holes in the ground with lava in them in this map. Just be careful I need to be careful so I don't step in one of those. Okay, so we're still looking for that place in the water, because I know where a chest is there. And we'll probably find somebody there, because I think that's where a lot of these people go. So maybe they're like us and they haven't found it yet. How many people are still left? Nope. Some people are left. 4. I know that there's a team of 2 people. There's might be. Well, if I'm left, then no. Then this other person must not be teamed. Unless they're 3 team, that would be really bad for me. Maybe there's something here? Hopefully. Nope, just mobs. Let me get out of here, the mobs are gonna kill me. Thank you. So we're gonna get as far away from there as we can. And we need to eat up. We will in a second. There. No, nothing there. Sorry if it sounds like I'm pounding these buttons. I'm not really. So now we can't even find spawn. Probably. Ooh, found something. One more pork chop left, so if we see some animals, then what is this? Never seen this before. And some more armor. Nothing to burn. So got 6 arrows. Just need a bow. Still looking for that water area. There's gonna be a stone bridge. So they're probably camping out at spawn or something like that. Ooh, food. Put that armor on, right? And I know that some people are going to the middle. Getting better at the sprinting. think I'm the only one not on a team. Sea stone looks interesting. And I hear mobs. Good thing I didn't fall there. Nope. That could have been close. He's got. Oh no. I can't. And we did good. So that's going to end the Hunger Games for today. We didn't die first. So, yep. Goodbye. Subscribe, comment, tell me what else you want. I'll do some capture the flag, stuff like that. And goodbye.